the Inagua Sustainability Council, Vivian Moultrie, told us about the organization's latest initiative for the island's development.
This workshop is the third in a series of 5 workshops for 2026 for the Inagua diaspora. And it's also related to the Inagua Sustainability Council and its job to ensure that the product, the ecotourism product in Greater Inagua, is what it ought to be. For the conference today, we want the attendants at the conference to leave with a sense of ownership as an Inaguan. Those folks who are not from Inagua, who have not been to Inagua for a long time, we want them to leave with a sense of, yes, this is a dynamic tourism product that could be developed sustainably. We want the members of this workshop to participate from the viewpoint that when they leave, they have ownership, they've had input, they have had suggestions. And so whenever they come back to Inagua or visit Inagua, they feel a part of that. We're looking at the development of young people. We are going to lead out of this summer with a Junior Inagua Sustainability Council. That grouping of people will be between the ages of 18, maybe down to 12. We're going to put direct responsibilities on them. We're going to teach them, train them on how to do stuff, how to recognize stuff, how to build tours in Mathutan and Inagua. Youth empowerment is one of our primary objectives. So when people like myself move on, there'll be 3 generations behind me that are fully equipped to do what I do today.
For more tourism updates, visit Tourism Today or Bahamas.com. I'm Michael Miller, and this is Tourism Today.